sis, welcome back to my channel. So we are starting off a vacation vlog. I am going on vacation for my 30th birthday. This is a big milestone for me. I've been saying once my 30th hits, I'm definitely traveling. I'm leaving the country. So I am going to Punta Cana. You guys probably seen it in the title already, but Punta Cana is the destination. I leave tomorrow. Our flight leaves at 9 in the morning. So today is literally crunch time. So clearly you guys see that I have my hair done, my lashes done. So me being the forgetful girl I am, I said I want to do like a maintenance vlog and just show you guys me getting my hair done, my lashes done, my nails done and stuff whatnot. I completely forgot to do that. So we are gonna start fresh with nails. So I haven't done my nails yet, which is what I'm gonna be doing right now. So I'm gonna take you guys along with me. So stay tuned. All right, let's get out of here. Just got in the chair, about to do my toes first. Dark. Where is the light? All right guys, so I just finished doing my nails. I just did some square French tips, nothing too serious honestly, and I did some French tips on my toe as well. So pretty much all my maintenance is done: hair, lashes, nails, which is good. I'm relieved. Now I just need to focus on getting the last few bits of little things that I need. So I have a list. I made a list in my notes on my phone. If you guys hear that, you guys could actually see the truck behind me. It's a garbage truck, but I made some notes on my phone, so it's just a matter of getting them. So I'm gonna do that today and then just finish up the rest of my packing. And yeah, I should be set for tomorrow. But yeah, we gotta wake up early, get to the airport, make sure that we are checked in. We ain't trying to miss no flights, okay? So yeah, I just want to make sure that by tonight everything is set. So yeah guys, I'm gonna continue to just bring you guys along with me and just really enjoy this vlog. It's gonna be, I don't know if I'm gonna do it in parts. We'll see, I don't know. We'll probably do it in parts. So this would probably be like the before trip prep vlog, and then we'll go from there. Okay, so you guys, the last time you guys saw me was yesterday during the little piece of maintenance vlog that I gave you guys. But today is November 15th. 15th, babe? 15th. Yes. So today is flight day. Our flight leaves in about 2 hours, so I'm excited. At this point we're just waiting for my friend to come. She's almost here, so just waiting. But yeah guys, I'm excited. Anyways, yes, I've never been to the DR, so this is about to be lit. And of course it's an all-inclusive, so you already know what that means. But yeah, what do you guys think about my hair? I've been seeing actually everyone doing the braids with the little curls, and I thought that would be like the perfect, you know, vacation hairstyle. I'm still trying to warm up to it and get used to it, but let me know what you guys think. Babe, you love it though, right?
100%.
Yeah. But yeah, anyways, yeah, we're just here You guys know I suck at vlogging, so if the vlog ever becomes boring, which I'll try not to make it be, just bear with me, please.
This is a lot better. This is way better.
Alright guys, so this is my Alright guys, so this is my outfit of the day, my airport flex. So I have on some black leggings. I have on a black hoodie with a white crop top underneath. I'm gonna zip that up right now because it's kind of cold still. But yes, this is the outfit, the airport outfit of the day. Alright, so we're about to board, guys. It's a lineup right here. We're almost there. No more stressing. It's been years since I traveled. It's like foreign to me. Foreign.
Feels good to get back out there.
I don't want this to drop over. Now that I'm looking at my thing, it does look a little big.
What?
My carry-on.
Looking a little textile.
You're like, if I live there, or do I have a clear?
Hello. Hello.
Hey, it happens all the time. You okay?
Sorry, I had to
My thingy.
I had to this. You're doing good, babe.
Have WestJet
On the
and
plane.
Scoot is off WestJet, so that's why Scoot is a smaller plane. That's why Scoot is a smaller plane because it's like. So I'm pretty sure.
So yeah.
I'm pretty sure Rouge is gonna be like smaller than Air Canada.
So Air Transat is the biggest one.
No.
Oh, Air Canada is the biggest one.
Maybe Air Canada is the
Air
same
Canada-
as Air Transat.
I don't think
But
so.
but he's saying that Rouge,
Canada Rouge is like massive.
like you're saying Canada Rouge is like bigger than Air
Let me
Canada.
Google this while I
Couldn't
still
be.
can.
But Rouge sounds like it's like prestige.
No. Rouge is off Air Canada, so it's like their second.
Oh,
yeah. So it's like how Swoop is.
So it wouldn't be bigger then?
No. So
Okay,
Swoop
okay.
is WestJet's like second.
That makes sense.
Right? So that's why Swoop is little.
I've been on WestJet
It's
in
like
years.
a Kudo, and then what's under Kudo?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Why? It's a little soup. Little soup and thing, you know? You're not trying to get that like a con. Like a con and what is that? Yam? Is that yam in there? Nah.
What is that?
I don't trust that stuff. It's not from yard. I'm not trying to drink no different soup.
It looks just like chicken.
kit. They're selling blanket for $10.
It's a kit. It comes
Earbuds.
with. Oh, they have earbuds for 99 cents.
No, it's not. It's $10. Bro.
It's 10.90. Oh, it's 10.99.
If it's 99 cents, I'm getting that. Obviously, you know.
It's 10.99.
I wonder how much is. I'll take a
Good morning, everyone. Welcome aboard Air Transat Flight 186.
Everyone.
Yeah.
Alright guys, we are taking off. The plane is moving.
Yo.